In our digital age, cybercriminals are turning to Malware-as-a-Service and ransomware kit services. These tools make it alarmingly easy to launch sophisticated attacks, even for those with minimal technical expertise. Malware-as-a-Service operates like any legal service that you might use, except the seller offers a variety of malicious software on demand. From data-stealing trojans to disruptive ransomware, these tools are now just a click away, sold or rented at shockingly affordable prices. Ransomware kits have evolved too, giving attackers the ability to lock down systems and demand hefty ransoms without writing the code themselves. Some kits even offer personalized campaigns for targeting victims. The impact can include disrupted operations, financial losses, and compromised data across industries. From small businesses to large corporations, nobody is safe. But there is hope. You can fortify your digital domain against these invisible threats. First, stay vigilant. Always be skeptical of unsolicited emails and unknown links. Remember that malware often masquerades as legitimate software. 2. Update regularly. Keep your software updated. Developers continuously release patches for known vulnerabilities that malware exploits. 3. Back up your data. Regularly back up important files. In the event of a ransomware attack, this can be your saving grace. And 4. Educate and train. Awareness is crucial. Educate yourself and your peers about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. In this shadowy market of malware-as-a-service and ransomware kits, staying informed, cautious, and proactive is necessary for safeguarding your digital world. Remember, knowledge and vigilance are your best allies in this ongoing battle against cyber threats. Check your inbox next week for another video short on security threats, breaking news, and tips for staying cyber secure.